Picture this. A cold metallic hum fills the air as the lights of Los Angeles shimmer against a carbon fiber silhouette. A machine that doesn't just move through air, it slices it apart. This isn't another European supercar or a luxury badge revived from a past. This is America's answer to the hypercar future, the Czinger 21C Blackbird. Built not by traditional methods, but by algorithms, by robots, by art made through science. Every inch of this car, from the 3D printed titanium joints to the hand-laid carbon shell, feels like a message from the future saying the human hand has reached its limit. As the sunlight crawls across its body, you notice the design isn't designed, it's grown. The lines are organic, smooth, almost biological, like the car was born, not built. Its twin seating layout, one seat behind the other, isn't just for looks. It's a nod to fighter jets, a reminder that this is more than a car. It's a weapon designed for the road. Underneath that alien skin lies something monstrous, a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V8 hybrid. But don't let the numbers fool you. This thing roars with a combined power of 1,250 horsepower. The sound, it's not a growl, it's not a scream. It's a mix of thunder and electricity, a digital growl tearing through the wind. 0 to 60 in just 1.9 seconds. Top speed? 281 miles per hour. But stats can't tell the whole story. What's truly insane is that this hypercar isn't made in Italy, not in Germany, not even in Japan. It's born in California. And then there's the interior. You step inside and everything tightens. You're in the cockpit now, sitting dead center with your co-pilot right behind you. The steering wheel looks like it came from a spacecraft. Digital screens curve around you. Data glows softly on black carbon fiber. Czinger didn't just make a car, they created a new way to build cars. The company's AI-driven manufacturing uses algorithms to design parts that no human could ever sketch. Lighter, stronger, faster. You can see it in the suspension arms that look like bone structures, in the exhaust manifold shaped like living tissue. And when you drive it, it's terrifying. Every flick of the throttle sends a jolt like lightning through your spine. Corners feel sharper, the brakes bite harder, and the world outside blurs into streaks of silver and blue. It's not just a machine, it's an experience. Standing in front of the 21C Blackbird, you realize something. The old rules of the supercar world are gone. No longer do you need a century-old brand or European badge to be a legend. You just need vision and the courage to reinvent everything. This car is proof that the future doesn't belong to tradition. It belongs to innovation. And with the Czinger 21C Blackbird, that future has already begun. Thanks for watching.